Today we are going to draw the letters S, T, and U with some tasty and healthy foods. Get your pencils ready and let's have fun drawing together. First, we draw the letter S. Now, under it, let's draw a strawberry. S is for strawberry. Next, we draw the letter T. Now, under it, let's draw a tomato. T is for tomato. Now, we draw the letter U. Under it, let's draw an UV. U is for UV. Now it's time to color. Please color with me. Green. I'm coloring the letter S green. You can also choose your favorite colors. Green. I'm coloring the strawberry bright red with green leaves. Strawberries are sweet, juicy, and delicious. Red. They are yummy and healthy snacks. Yellow. I'm coloring the letter T yellow. Green. I'm coloring the tomato bright red with a green stem. Tomatoes are juicy and full of flavor. Red. They come in different sizes and colors, like red, yellow, and orange. They are healthy food to enjoy every day. Orange. I'm coloring the letter U orange. Brown. I'm coloring the UV purple and brown. UV is purple root vegetable. Its bright purple color makes it special. Purple. It is often used to make delicious desserts. It gives our bodies important nutrients. Great job, kids! Today we learned that S, strawberry, T, tomato, U, Yubi! Healthy fruits and vegetables help our bodies grow strong. Let's take a picture. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you next time. Keep drawing, keep learning with